Greetings, I hope you are fine. Today we're gonna talk about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a lesson about how to highlight your main data and apply samples of work with highlighted, some formatting and some colors that catch in the eye. Starting by selecting the main data, you can head into the format as table and change your preset whatever you like, the color, the different preset you can choose from. After navigating from the home menu and selecting the type of format that you will choose for the conditional formatting to start with, you need to apply selection and head into the conditional format menu and change according to the greater than, less than, according a condition that you will set. For this one, I will change the price. I want to add a conditional formatting for the price menu. For that, I select it first and head into the conditional formatting and start by the first one. First one here, apply condition according to a value, specific value, let's say 45. It will color according to the value I will add. For this one, if I hit 25, you can see all the values more than 25 are highlighted. If I type in 40, all the values are greater than. According to a condition, you can see green fill with dark green. You can change the value. Let's say I will type in 60. You can see all the value more than 60 highlighted and press OK. And start to apply to a different one. Let's say I want to try for the amount menu. Select it and head into the conditional formatting menu and will highlight for less than. This one is less than 64. All the value that less than 64 highlighted. And if I choose to select more than 80, it will highlight all the value less than 80. If I type in 104, it will highlight all the value, and you can change it to whatever color you will choose. You can customize it to be red text, red color for the cell, and red borders. You can customize the border or the fill-in and color. For this one, I change the amount, the highlighted for a dash below each value, the lower border. You can head into the delete menu and clear menu to clear the rules. You will have different value for the clear rules. You have the first condition, the clear format, or clear comments, or clear contents, or even clear all if you want to just swipe it off. For this one, you can return back by pressing Ctrl and Z to return to the main value and apply a new rule. For this one, I select them all and head into the conditional formatting menu, head to highlight and select less than. You can see whenever you find the value, it will highlight all the value less than, let's say 36. All the value lesser than will be highlighted. I'll select the solid unit, highlight menu, and start to choose the third options. It's highlight the value between two values. Let's say I will need to highlight from the value of 52 to the value of 82, or let's say I will type in 80. So it will highlight it to a red color, all the value between the two presets I've added. You can change it to green, to red, to any customized color from this preset, or customize your own. For this one, you can choose light red, you can red border, red text, or add a custom one. For a custom one menu, you will dive in down to a borders, a fill, a more option to choose from. For this one, you can select this color and head into the border, apply different borders. You can head it to one side, two sides only, or all the sides, and heading to the font to change it to bold color. Make a value for each one. You can change the fill, you can change the borders, or you can change all of them. For this one, I will choose as this yellow color and press OK. And remaining amount, I will select this one and head into the conditional formatting menu, head for the fourth option, equal to. When you press equal to, you can add a conditional formatting to change the format of the cell according to format cells that are equal to a specific value. Let's say the value of 4, and I want to change it to the red text. it will change all the value equal to the number 4 that you've added. And I will try to apply a new conditional formatting, heading to this one as it has a dollar sign, that is a currency, and heading to the text content that I need to apply conditional to the text. So I have the marker and heading to text that contain. If you want to apply a conditional formatting according to some specific letters or words, you just type in the letter or the word and it will be highlighted according to the types of the color you will select. For this one, let's say I want to highlight a specific name, let's say name Sam, and even in a word Osama you will find Sam, so it will also be highlighted according to the color you choose. For this one you can choose red color, and I want to make some conditional formatting, the sixth option in the country, a date occurring. A date occurring, if you select it, then you change according to a date. And duplicate value, it will apply a specific conditional formatting for all the values that have been duplicated. For this one you can see there are no duplication values, so it will not be affected. But if it will find, let's say, Sam more than once, it will highlight all the values that are duplicated. For this one, if I select it again and head into the conditional formatting menu and heading to the duplicate value, it will highlight all the Sam as it is duplicated more than once. Then you can change the highlighted to green or any color you choose or customized according to your need. You can press Ctrl Z to return back to the last option. And let's say I want to apply some conditional formatting to the currency. For this one, I can find and greater than, less than, between, or equal to, apply any different one. Let's say the last one is date occurring. I want all the dates that, let's say, like yesterday, today, tomorrow, or even in the last few weeks or few days. Let's say I want the value in the next month. It will highlight according to the color I would choose all the highlighted value according to specific date value. Let's say last month. You can see there is no last month, for it not be highlighted. But if you want to change it to a specific day, let's say I will change all the dates in this value and apply some serial arrangement, let's say by month, and heading to the duplicate date menu again, and you can find the next month is 1/1/2026. If you choose a different option, let's say the last month, it will highlight the last month, and you can choose yesterday, today, tomorrow, or any value from this preset. It will be highlighted according to the color that you will choose. You can choose red, light green, or you can customize your own and press OK to apply it. Let's continue to dive in the conditional formatting. First of all, remember you can clear it, clear the cell, clear the content, and clear the format only from the clear menu. You will find different options, or you can choose select this one, copy format painter, and apply to the next one. This is the fastest and easiest way. You can select a new conditional formatting. I have finished the first column. Let's head to the second one, top 10 items. If you choose to highlight top 10 items according to a specific value, let's say make it green, make it light, specific value according to the number that you've added, 10 value, 6 value, 4 value, you can choose the number that value will be highlighted. Let's say I want the top first value, top 10, top 5, and you can return back to clear the rule and remove it again. For this one, I will clear the rules from the conditional format clear menu. You will find a clear menu also in the conditional formatting. If I will select all this table and head to the conditional format, you can add new rule or clear the rules. You can clear the rules from the selected cell or from the entire sheet or from this table. You will have different options to clear the data, the conditional formatting. Heading to selection again, second column, and heading to the top 10%. The difference between top 10 value and top 10% is it's not about a specific number, it's a specific percent. It can be more than 10. If you have a lot of values, then it will be selected, calculated, and highlight the 10%. Let's head to the second option. It's the bottom 10 items. It's the opposite of the first one. You can highlight the least value according to a specific number you've added. Let's say 14, 12, 8. It will be highlighted according to the value you've added. Let's select the next column and apply the next rule. It's the bottom 10%, the same as the bottom 10 items, but in a percentage form. Let's select the specific amount of percentage and apply. For this one, you can select the sold units and clear the rules. Clear the rules from the selected or from the entire sheet and apply a new rule above it. For this one, I will select the bottom 10 items. You can see that 10%, 20%, it will be highlighted for values as it's a percentage. For this one, I will head to the next option, above average. It's like a formula. All the values above average, it will be highlighted according to a specific color you will choose. You can head to the next one, and let's say I can choose from data bars. Data bars allow you a different designs, a different looking form of analyzing data, make it familiar, make it colorized, make it specific for clearing the rule of the value, and make it clear for a specific analysis. Let's say I would choose this one and I want to apply some modification. I will head to sort menu and sort from the smallest to largest. You can apply a sort and a filter. You can sort it according to increasing or decreasing. For this one, I'll choose the smallest to largest or the largest. And remember, if you make any wrong formula, you can return back by pressing Ctrl and Z from the keyboard. Just remember to use sort and filter to align it to a specific arrangement from increasing or decreasing, from the smallest to largest or largest to smallest. And remember, clear the rules from the conditional formatting menu to return back to original formatting, and then apply a new clean rule. For this one, you can add a gradient fill and you can add a solid fill. For this one, starting by the gradient fill, you can choose from different designs and different presets. Let's say I will try this green one or red one. You just left click from the mouse to fill the selected area. You can navigate around and try different conditional formatting, try your own, customize it, and see what it feel like you analyzing data and see it clearly. Remember to decrease the amount of the percentage from the decreasing menu and apply a new data bars, a gradient fill or a gradient rule. And remember, you can add multiple options in the conditional formatting. For this one, let's clean this area and select a new column and apply a new conditional formatting. For this one, I can color scale it. Color scale it allow you conditional format according to a specific designs. Selected colors, join it together. You can add a new rules according to icon sets. Conditional formatting according to some icons that clarify your work, what increasing, what is decreasing, and each, let's say each circle or each flag for this one and a sign represent a value, increasing or decreasing, the top value or the least value. For this quarters or this arrows, you can select try different one and select what match your work. For this one, I will choose different icon presets to see it clearly. For each column, I will choose a different one. You can select icon sets. Let's make it this gray arrow. And for the price, let's select it first, head into the conditional formatting, icon sets, and this one is the traffic sign. And let's say I will choose the remaining amount and select it, heading to the conditional formatting menu, icon set, and let's choose the stars from this one. You can choose, let's say, the taxes and select highlight icons, and let's say I will choose these symbols for this icon. You can navigate around and customize according to your work and your design and specific field of work, heading to the highlight, data bars, top bottom percentage, or a specific value, gradient fill, or you can apply a solid fill. You can apply multiple conditional formatting over each other. You can not just apply one conditional formatting like symbols, you can also apply a gradient fill over the symbol. For this one, if you customize and apply a new rule, you can add your own according to a specific data bars or according to the type, minimum and maximum, filling it or just changing the color of the cell. You can change the border, and remember, you can change the color, the gradient, or navigate around and customize according to your needs. And pressing OK to apply it, you can see you can apply different colors and different conditional formatting over the same cells. For this one, I've selected the symbols and reselected again and head into the conditional formatting menu, heading to data bars and choose a gradient fill. You can see you can apply multiple conditional formatting to the same column and the same cells. For this one, select it, head into the conditional formatting, heading to the data bars, and you choose a gradient fill, a new one, a new rule, and apply a different color. You can apply more rules, heading to the color and customize your own. You can apply borders, increase the border or remove some borders. You can apply your specific color, and you can apply a bar direction from increasing right to left or left to right. You can gradient fill or solid fill and press OK. You can see different conditional formatting apply to your work, make data analysis more familiar and more clarifying, more catching for the eye. You can select a new rules, clear the rules, or manage the rule. Manage the rule, apply rules according to specific need if you customize it, if you want to customize it. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.